Morning, Big Al, Bama RV. We'll show you the Coastman 259 FKDS. This particular unit got a big front cap, LED lights, your electric jack. I like your hidden spare the way they do that. This also has the cutoff switch for your battery on the front there. Come down the side here, you got plenty of storage. You even got a little shelf in this now. It goes all the way through, and it's open on the other side also. This particular model, come on down, LED lights, the large awning on this. It's got the outdoor kitchen on it, the sink, a big refrigerator, plenty of storage. Also here, it has the, this has been locked back up, but this has got the camp stove and storage inside here also. This does have your leash holder, bottle opener here on this. This particular unit also has the solid steps, large grab handle. Come on inside. One thing that's really nice, we're excited about this unit. This is a new layout, front kitchen. It's got your stove, your microwave, everything. Plenty of storage throughout this whole unit. You've got plenty of places to put your pots and pans, utensils, solid, large countertop. This blind will come down so you can kill this out, but if you're at the lake, you got the view or the beach. Got your solid top here, countertop, rolled countertops here, covers. You got your nice dinette that does make into a bed. One thing I did miss when we came in, this also has a large closet here, and that's something that comes in real handy when you're camping to store things. Come on down, and you got your Thomas Paine collection stadium seating, so you can look here and look at your TV. You got access, very comfortable. AM/FM CD player. Got plenty of room. That TV will also swivel some, so that way everybody can watch. What's nice too, you got your large bathroom with your big tall shower with a dome in the shower. You got a porcelain toilet there. You got plenty of room inside this bathroom. This next room is one I'm very excited about. You got come down a small hallway here. You do have the pocket door, but you have the king size bed that runs east and west. Sorry, this just came in, so we haven't even had a chance to clean this one yet. You got storage across the top there. You do have the hydraulic, so you got plenty of storage underneath this. And if you'll notice the aluminum framing all the way around the bed, makes it very durable. And then behind me, you have huge closets. This is your wife's closets here. I'll show you guys where your closets are in just a second. But this got plenty of hang-up storage through there. Place for your TV, already pre-wired for your TV. You do have USB cords, so you can charge your cell phone or iPads here. Now here, guys, here's your room over here on this side, and then right behind our guy that's filming, he got a little closet there also for him. You do have the brackets on both sides for your CPAP machine if you have to have a CPAP. This is our new 259 front kitchen. Come see me, Big Al.